Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can create your Netflix account. So in order to sign up for Netflix account, all you have to do is just make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. So first of all, you have to open up a browser or install an application. So on the web address bar, type in netflix.com and that's going to take you to the official web page. So here, in order to create an account, go ahead and tap on the get started button located right at the bottom. So first thing, you have to go ahead and enter in the email address and click the get started button located right in the corner. So the next page, you'll be taken to this page where you'll be able to see this sort of interface. So click on the next button. Now you have to create a password. That you need to tap the next button, and as soon as you've done that, you'll need to go ahead and select the plan. So click the next button. Now you need to go through the premium plan, so whichever is convenient for you, select that and make sure that your debit card or a credit card is available next to you. Now you have to select the way to pay, so either way you can do it: Visa, MasterCard, or MX whatsoever, or PayPal. Select that and then you have to enter in the information right over here, and make sure to provide the following information correctly and mark on the terms and conditions. Click on start membership. After you've done that, it's going to take a while, just 15 to 10 minutes in order to register your account. Then you have successfully created your Netflix account. So that's basically how you can create your Netflix account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.